going into that parting of the wild horse's mane, coming that first posture right after that commencing form. That right hand is going to come straight through. As that right hand can just come straight through, imagine opening a curtain. Just going to open that curtain to go through. So we're just that palm is up. And that trailer hand here is just going to follow it up the ramp. As we get up top of that ramp, we're going to maybe grab an egg out of that nest. And we're going to turn it over so we can bring it back. If we don't turn that over, that feels really kind of constricted as you come back. So we need to turn that over so that arm can tuck. So that feels more cohesive, feels more balanced. So as we bring that in here, so we've come out of that commencing form, float those arms forward, bend at the elbows, allow that sun to set. That right hand has come under, and we started to part that wild horse's mane. We went up, we turned it over, we pulled it back to that left hip. Now that left hand just went back a little more to start to push that right wrist forward and created that X. As you push those forward, as those arms extend all the way out, they're naturally going to separate until we're flying like Superman again. And once you fully extend here, you're going to bring those hands back to the top of the chest. Let them sink down. You put a little bend in the knee if you like, or just stand up. And as you get it right about the belly button, push forward. That's that push, pull, redirect. And from here, we're going to our transition. So put those two together. Big breath in. Float forward, flying like Superman. Bending at the elbows. Allowing that sun to set. Right hand comes under. And grasp the bird's tail. Hold up. Turn it over. Bring it back. Push forward. Pull. And redirect. Just good job. So let's work on that. Go through a few reps of just that. Grasp the bird's tail. We're going to grab an energy ball. Right hand is under. Left hand's here on top. Hand goes over to that right side. Left hand follows. Push. Pull. Redirect. And the same is going to be for our opposite side. That left hand will be under. Now that right hand follows. You turn it over, bring it back. So now that right hand pushes the left forward. Those hands still separate. Bring it back still to the top of the chest. End point here is the same. So put those two together one more time. Big breath in. And out. Focus that intention. Big breath in. And out. Grab that energy ball. Your right hand go under. Grasp the bird's tail. Turn it over. Bring it back. That left hand push forward. Those hands separate. Good job.